In this video, I'm going to build an outdoor shower, and I'm going to build it right next to the sauna that I built earlier this year. I'm also going to take the opportunity to fix a major drainage problem that I get every spring at the foot of the rock stairs right here. Since I'm going to have the ground opened up to put drainage in for the shower, I figured, well, then I might as well just do it all at once.
Shut the
So, unfortunately, right where the shower sits, there is a rock, or maybe even bedrock, that is 1 inch below the surface, like right here. I discovered this when I was running the water line, and I spent quite a few hours using a hammer drill because I don't have a jackhammer. And so I used a hammer drill to cut enough channel through this so that I could have the right grade for the shower area to drain into the catch basin. But unfortunately, that means since drainage is basically sitting at the surface, I can't bury it down below. I'm going to need to raise the basin of the shower above grade. And that brings us to the shower. Honestly, I was just gonna rig up something with a garden hose and a sprinkler, and then the folks at CAMPLUX offered to send me a portable tankless water heater with pump called the F10 Pro. And it's awesome.
Well, you know, I'm trying to get out of the shower sooner, and then I ask myself, why? I mean, this is where I want to be.
Once the water is connected by means of either a garden hose, like it is in my situation, or by means of a bucket and the provided pump that's powered through your car's auxiliary connection, all you need to do is press the button on the shower head. And you have instantly hot water. How cool is that? I can't tell you how happy it makes me being able to rinse off either on a hot day or take some of the grime off before I go in the house. And that makes my wife happy, so major win. I mentioned earlier how important comments are. I make a point to respond to all of them. So thank you. I have a lot of new content coming out soon, so make sure you're subscribed. And as always, if you like this video, you might like these.